Hello, Professor. This is Someshwar Today we will be discussing about big data analytics, big data solutions in banking industry. Today I'll explain how banks use big data to prevent fraud and manage risk. We will cover key technologies like data visualization tools, challenges, and real-world case study. So coming to the next slide. Coming to the next slide. Uh, I'm going to discuss about big data technologies. Banking uses three main technologies for using processing and massive transaction data. Technologies we use for data ingestion, data processing, and data storage. Apache Kafka has a high throughput, low latency data streaming, data processing, Apache Kafka Spark for distributed data processing and real-time analytics, data storage, Hadoop distributed file system, HDFS for scalable storage. We're gonna use three technologies like Apache Kafka, Apache Spark, and HDFS. Coming to the next slide, we'll be discussing about data visualization and its tools. Once data is processed, bank need to visualize insights. That's where Tableau and Power BI comes in. Tableau creates a real-time dashboard for fraud detection, interactive and real-time data visualization for transaction and monitoring. Power BI builds reports builds reports on customer spending patterns and risk management. For example, a fraud detection dashboard can insightfully flag suspicious transactions, preventing fraud before it happens. Coming to the technical diagram, a technical diagram illustrating the data flow architecture for banking, credit card transaction analytics. Here we will be discussing about data sources like POS, ATMs, and online transactions, where we can see real-time streaming in data ingestion like Apache Kafka and distributed storage like HDFS and data processing like Apache Kafka and Apache Spark and fraud detection and risk management, data visualization and Tableau, Power BI for analytics and reporting. So these are the things that comes under technical diagram. Coming to the challenges and transaction data analysis. While data is powerful, bank faces four key challenges like volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Millions of transactions daily require massive storage and processing power. Data comes in structured numbers and unstructured text, images, and formats. Ensuring data accuracy while minimizing false fraud alerts is critical. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for effective fraud detection. Coming to slide 5, we'll be discussing about case study of JP Morgan. We're gonna see the problems about real-time fraud detection and risk mitigation. Let's look at JP Morgan's a leader in banking security. The solution we use Kafka for real-time data ingestion, used Kafka for fraud patterns, integrated machine learning to predict fraudulent transactions, visualized insights using Tableau and Power BI. The outcome is going to come is reduce fraudulent transactions significantly, improve customer security and trust, enhance decision making with predictive analytics. This case proves that big data analytics is transforming banking into banking security. Coming to the conclusion, to summarize, big data analytics is a revolutionizing banking security by using technologies like Kafka Spark, HDFS, and real-time data processing, implementing machine learning to detect fraud. With digital banking growing rapidly, big data is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Key points: addressing these challenges of volume, velocity, and variety and veracity in financial data, utilizing technologies like Apache Kafka, Apache Spark, and HDFS, and data ingestion, processing, and storage. We can implement machine learning models for predictive analytics and leverage data visualization tools for real-time fraud monitoring. Uh, thank you. Thank you for giving time, and thank you for your time. This is Someshwar. I'll be meeting you in next presentation.